So good morning. Today's Wednesday, March 15th, about 8:30 California time. I'm gonna talk again about Dash. Dash has made a couple of videos about it, but I'm making another video here because I drew a chart on TradingView last night, and I just want to show that chart and what happened. So TradingView is a really great site. If you don't know about it, you can use a lot of different tools to draw charts, and then you can publish ideas. So when you publish an idea, it will freeze the chart when you published it, and then you can go back and look at that published chart and see how your idea played out. So this is one of those charts. I published this chart last night, and now we're going to go back and see how the chart played out. So what we're looking at is Dash on a 15-minute time frame. So every tick here is a 15-minute tick, and there's a couple things that I was looking at. So first of all, I was looking at this run right here, and I highlighted this in the box. This run was approximately point 0.19 pips for 0.019 pips for Dash. So this box represents that kind of a climb. So then I duplicated that box and I moved it over here to indicate from this point what another 0.019 increase would look like. And I laid that down here at this point, and then that box goes all the way up, and it happens to coincide with the next Fibonacci level up here, the 1.4 level. So I thought that was interesting. So I drew in these two boxes. It's pretty common in crypto that crypto will repeat. They call it fractals or something else like that. And if you can see a pattern, it's not uncommon for cryptocurrencies to repeat that pattern. So if you see a move like this, you may be able to predict that it might make a similar move. And so I put that box over here. Then the other thing I was looking at is we had two trend lines that were coming together last night. So we had an uptrend and we had a really short-term downtrend line. So I was looking at that. Then we were also right in the middle of this Fibonacci area. So we were in between the 1 and the 1.2 Fibonacci area, and we were just kind of going in between. So I drew in some arrows thinking we're either going to go all the way up and hit this next fib, we're going to pass 1.2 and go to 1.4, or we're going to just break down and go past 1 and come on down to the 7/8 Fibonacci level. So I'm going to go ahead and press play here, and we're going to see how this played out. So as you can see, the Dash went through my trend lines, but then it made a decisive move. It went right on up, retouched the 1.2, and then went all the way up and got to 1.4. It also completed this box. It even went up a little bit higher than that. It's since retraced. But again, this just shows, like, if you can see a pattern, a fractal pattern, or if you're looking at your Fibonacci levels, you can kind of have an idea of where to place your orders. If you're bullish, you would, place orders in here. If you're bearish, you place orders in here. But this is just a really great tool. And I'm wanted to share, like, if you can see a box here, you can kind of copy that box in TradingView. You can look at your trend lines and see where those are coming together. Then you can also, with a really explosive, currency like this, you can take a look at, okay, well, what's my next fib and what's the fib beyond that? So if I were bullish, you could have put a sell in here somewhere to get filled, and the vice versa if you were bearish. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm going to skip back to Bitcoin and some other more fundamental things, and may do one or two more Dash videos. But I think this one's going to be running its course real soon. I've been saying that for a few days, but right now the long-term Dash holders are in control, but when the traders are done with Dash, there's going to be an exit, and I'll definitely do a video at that point. So thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment, subscribe, and more videos to come.